In this video, we'll learn how to import all your customers in bulk from an Excel file. This feature allows you to migrate all your customers from other platforms into Edgetrack. One of the most powerful capabilities is that you can also import your customers along with their outstanding balances from another system. Let's get started. From the customer screen, click on the Import Customers button. With just 2 steps, you can import all your customers. First, download the CSV template. Open the template using any CSV editor. In this example, we'll open it in Excel. The file already includes a sample customer row to guide you on how to fill in the columns. Make sure to delete this sample row before adding your real customer data. If your previous system includes a customer number, you can import that as well. There is a very important column called opening_balance. In this column, you can enter the outstanding balance or debt that the customer has in your previous system. Once the import is completed, the system will automatically create an open invoice for that customer with that balance. Once your file is ready, simply upload it or drag and drop it into the upload area and click Upload and Continue. In the second step, you can configure several options. You can assign customers to a group if you have groups set up. Under Upsert Options, you also have the ability to update existing customer information using either the customer number or the email. Next, you'll see a preview of your customers. If your file was exported from another system and the column names don't exactly match the template, you can map each column to the corresponding customer field in Edgetrack or skip any unnecessary columns. You can also update outstanding balances in bulk if the customer already exists. Once everything is ready, click Import Customers. In this example, we only uploaded 1 customer, but this feature is designed to handle thousands. Since we filled in the opening_balance column with a value of $500, you can now see in the customer view that this customer has an outstanding balance of $500. You can also see the open invoice that was automatically created based on that balance. In the next videos, we'll cover how to manage customer groups. Thanks for watching.